Hello, brothers and sisters from a different mother. How are you doing? My name is Terkon and I'm known as Jamaica Income Guy. Are you still seeking for ways how to make money online from Jamaica? If your answer is yes to my question, I need you to comment below and tell me how long have you been searching for ways. And if you just start searching, comment and let me know if you just start searching for ways to earn money online. I've been online over 3 years now, and I was seeking for ways how to earn money online till I run across a step-by-step training program that teach me step by step what I need to do for me to earn money online. So I want you guys to comment below and tell me how long have you seeking for ways how to earn money online from Jamaica. Okay? I'm going to show you a step-by-step training program that allow me to earn over $10,000 US without promoting or running a single ads. So if you are interested, I need you to comment below and tell me how long have you searching for ways to earn money online from Jamaica. Okay? So comment below and let me know. I'm going to show you some of my income proof that I'm really earning money online from Jamaica. This is just one of my income proof. As you can see, this is ClickFunnels. This is my name, Terry Cononel. As you can see, my lifetime earning is over $7,000 US. So if you're interested and you would like me to show you what exactly I did for me to earn over $7,000 US in my ClickFunnels account, all I need you to do is comment below and tell me how long have you been searching for ways to earn money online. And the next second thing I need you to do is subscribe to my channel, because the next video I'm going to upload, I'm going to show you the step-by-step training program that I'm using that allow me to earn this amount with ClickFunnels. Okay? So comment below and tell me how long have you searching for ways to earn money online. I'm going to show you a next income flow that I earn over $10,000 US online. This is 7, and I'm going to show you a next income flow. So guys, if you are from Jamaica, my brothers and sisters, and you are looking for ways how you can go about earning money online, just comment and tell me how long have you been searching for ways how to make money online. This is the next income proof. So as you can see, over $2,000. So I'm going to go on my calculator and show you a calculation that does two of my income stream allow me to earn over $10,000. So if you are serious and you are looking for ways how to earn money online from Jamaica, comment below and tell me how long have you searching for ways to earn money online from Jamaica. So I'm going to do a rough check calculator and show you some earn over $10,000 in US from home in Jamaica. See? Just as I say. Alright, me check. Me go up on it and go back and click for it. Just go back and click for it and make sure and see how much me did earn in click for it again. Now just them two income stream there. Look now, just two income stream I earn over $10,000 US. And that does over over $1 million Jamaican dollar out there Jamaica. So joking. Alright. That a 9,744. It not reach 1,000. But guess what? I'll show you our next income stream. Because I'll show you our next income stream. And add it on to show yourself you make over $10,000 online from Jamaica. You understand? So no joke about it. This is Udemy. Udemy total earnings. $1,911. So Jamaican people, no joke about it. As you can see, there's 3 income stream alone. Me show you live proof of real income generate. You understand? Of real income generate over $11,000 US 600. You understand? So you see, if you're serious and you want to know how you're able to earn over $11,000 US online from Jamaica, comment below and tell me how long are you searching for ways how to earn money online from Jamaica, and I will get back to you and show you exactly what I did for me to earn over $11,000 US online from home in Jamaica. Okay? So when you comment, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to subscribe to my channel because you're going to need the next update that I'm about to update after you comment. I'm going to do a next video to show you exactly what I did, and I'm going to contact you in your comment and tell you exactly what I did. So comment below and tell me how long have you searching for ways to make money online from home in Jamaica, and I will get back to you very shortly. Okay? Have a nice day, and remember to subscribe to my channel.